previous class, we have discussed about the objectives of management. Today we will discuss the importance of management, means why management is important, right? So number one is for achievement of group objectives. Okay, a human group consists of several persons, each specializing in doing a part of the total task. Means one is not specialized in everything, but everyone is specialized in something, right? हर एक के पास कुछ ना कुछ जैसे स्पेशलाइजेशन है जिसको यूज़ करके पूरा ऑब्जेक्टिव कंपनी कैन एबल टू अचीव इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव. ओके, so every person may be working efficiently, but the group as a whole cannot realize its objective without mutual cooperation and coordination among the individual efforts. Okay, सारे individual efforts को जैसे coordinate अगर नहीं किया गया, then it is not possible to achieve the organizational objective, right? Next importance is optimum utilization of resources. Means management brings together human and material resources in right proportion. Means कितना मैन पावर कहाँ पे जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट है, कहाँ पे क्या मशीनरीज रिक्वायरमेंट है, व्हाट आर द अदर रिसोर्सेज रिक्वायर्ड. सो उसको एक प्रॉपर प्रोपोर्शन के साथ जैसे मैनेजमेंट सेट कर सकता है. सो ऑल द रिसोर्सेज लाइक मैन or manpower, money, material and machinery, they may prove ineffective without proper management or without sound management. अगर proper management नहीं रहा, then all these resources becomes just ineffective or useless, we can say, right? Next is for minimization of cost. Means in the modern competitive age, in the cutthroat competition, a business can be successful only when it is able to supply the required products and services at the lowest possible price. Lowest possible price means जितना कम से कम दाम में क्वालिटी गुड्स अगर प्रोवाइड कर पाया एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन इट बिकम सक्सेसफुल. ओके, बिकॉज देयर इज हेवी कंपटीशन. हर जगह पे जैसे कंपटीशन चला हुआ है. सो जो कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को क्वालिटी भी मेंटेन कर पाए और चीप एंड बेस्ट पॉसिबल कॉस्ट में जैसे प्रोवाइड कर पाए, लोएस्ट पॉसिबल कॉस्ट में प्रोवाइड कर पाए, देन दैट इज़ द importance. Okay, so management is required for that purpose also. Management improve the efficiency and reduces the cost through proper or sound planning and organizing. Okay, next is survival and growth. Means modern business operates in a rapidly changing environment. Environment is changing every time. Okay, there is certain changes in the environment, so an enterprise has to adapt itself to the changing demands of the market. जो भी मार्केट में, सोसाइटी में जो भी चेंजेस आ रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जैसे हर एक एंटरप्राइज को अपने आप को अडॉप्ट करना है एंड टू एडजस्ट टू द चेंज और चेंजेस इन द एनवायरमेंट. ओके, सो मैनेजर्स कंटिन्यूसली मॉनिटर environmental changes and take the necessary steps to ensure that the enterprise is successfully facing all the uncertainties. Okay, so जो भी uncertainties हैं उसको properly जैसे maintain कर पाए. Okay, उसको properly meet कर पाए, successfully उसको ले पाए. So this is how management is also important for the survival and growth of the business. Okay, next is higher standard of living. Means management is necessary not only for business but for society also as a whole. So it raises the standard of living of people by providing goods of good quality, means good quality products at reasonable price or best possible price or lowest price which can be easily affordable, right? So in this way the standard of living of people also increases, right? Next is generation of employment. So by setting up new enterprises and expanding the existing one, जो ऑलरेडी जो एंटरप्राइजेस हैं उनको एक्सपैंड करके और न्यू एंटरप्राइजेस को जैसे ओपन करके दिस एम्प्लॉयमेंट कैन बी जनरेटेड. Okay, managers can create jobs for the people, and people earn their livelihood by working in these enterprises. So it helps to provide employment to lots of people, which helps in generating income for them, and that increases their standard of living also, right? Next is development of the nation. Management is also required for the development of the nation. Efficient management is equally important at national level also. Management is the most crucial factor in economic and social development. Okay, the development of a country largely depends on the quality of management of its resources. How tactfully, how successfully the management is making the best possible use of all the resources. So that also leads to development of the nation also, right? So this is all about the importance of management, children. Thank you.